Now we will know what power set. Okay, what is power set? If A be a set, then set of all subset set of all subsets of A is called power set. क्या है power set? If A be a set, then set of all subsets of A will be the power set. एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझेंगे. Let A is equals to 2, 3. एक सेट है A. So what is the power set? Then set of all subsets of A. Set of all subsets of A. All subsets of A. So first of all we will find out all the subsets of A. So what are the subsets of A? What are the subsets of A? We can write 2 subsets of A. Subset of A. 3 subset of A. And I told you every set is the subset of itself. That means 2, 3 is the subset of A. That means it is what? Every set is the subset of itself. Already I told you in subset case. And I told you phi is the subset of any set. Phi is the subset of any set. But we cannot write here like this. Now this is not a phi. Now this is not an empty set. This is now singleton set. Phi is a subset itself. Phi is a subset itself. But when we will take phi within a set, now it is a singleton set. Okay, so don't do like this. Only phi is a subset of A. So how many subsets we have got? 2, 3, 2, 3. Then 2, 3 together. Every set is the subset of itself. And phi is the subset of A. Phi is the subset of every set, any set. Okay, so phi. So how many subsets you have got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the definition telling? Set of all subsets of A is called power set. Now we have to make a set of these subsets. अब हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक सेट बनाना पड़ेगा. किसका? ये जितना सारा सबसेट है, देखो ना यहाँ पे, सेट ऑफ ऑल सबसेट्स. एक सेट बनाना पड़ेगा, जितना सारा सबसेट्स है उसका एक सेट बनाते हैं. सेट ऑफ ऑल सबसेट्स equal to what you have to take? You have to take this sets within a set. ये जितना सारा सेट है इसको एक सेट के अंदर बस लेना है और कोई कुछ नहीं. बस set of all subsets of A is called power set. So this is called what? Power set. And we represent the power set as P of A. We represent the power set as P of A. Okay, this is the power set. That means what? If A is a set, then set of all subsets of A. अगर एक सेट A है, A का जितना सारा सेट सबसेट बनेगा और सब सबसेट को मिला के जो एक सेट होगा, सब सबसेट को मिला के जो सेट होगा वही होगा A का पावर सेट. ओके, वही होगा पावर सेट. पावर सेट P of A. Here we can write power set of A. That means we can write what? P of A. like this. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Now if the number of element of A is m, if the number of element of A is m, therefore the number of element of P of A, that means power of A, equals to 2 to the power m. Do check it. Here number of element, and number of element we denote like this. Okay, number of element. Okay, so number of element equals to what? 2. Okay, number of element of A is equals to 2. So number of element, and we like represent number of element of P of A, and we represent like this. N means number of power of A equals to what? 2 to the power m. So n of A, number of element, number of A is equals to 2. Number of element of A is equals to 2. So number of element of P of A is equals to what? 2 to the power 2. Here m, and at the place of m we have got what? 2. So 2 to the power 2, that means 4. That means number of element of power set will be what? 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, clear? So pause the video to note it down. Now we will know about universal set. Okay, what is universal set? Suppose in a particular context, the basic set, okay, the basic set is called the basic set with related the context is called universal set. We represent it as capital U. What is it? In a particular context, the basic set with related the context is called universal set. Suppose I am taking an example. Suppose we are talking about square. We are talking about the square. So we have taken a context, what? Square. So in a particular context, square is the context here. The basic set with related the concept. Now what is the basic things related with the concept? That means square is coming from where? Square is coming from quadrilateral. Okay, so we can tell quadrilateral is the basic of square. So quadrilateral is the universal set of square. Okay, what is the basic of the square? Quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is the universal set of square. Okay, and we can say what? Quadrilateral is coming from where? Polygon. Quadrilateral is coming from where? Polygon. So we can say also polygon is the universal set of a square, and polygon is the universal set of quadrilateral. Okay, polygon is the universal set of square, and polygon is the universal set of quadrilateral also. क्यों? क्योंकि पॉलीगन से ही सब निकला है. पॉलीगन से पहले निकला क्वाड्रिलेटरल, अब क्वाड्रिलेटरल से कौन निकला? स्क्वायर. Okay, so we can tell what? क्वाड्रिलेटरल जो है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल का बीच कौन है? पॉलीगन। तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल का बेसिक कौन है? पॉलीगन। तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि पॉलीगन जो होगा क्वाड्रिलेटरल का यूनिवर्सल सेट होगा, और स्क्वायर जो होगा, स्क्वायर का यूनिवर्सल सेट भी पॉलीगन होगा। ओके, नाउ वी आर टेकिंग एन प्रॉपर एग्जांपल। ओके, नाउ वी आर टेकिंग एन प्रॉपर एग्जांपल। सपोज a is equals to 2 5, b is equals to 7 8 4, c is equals to 0 4 5. So we have taken three sets A, B, C. Now what is the universal set of these three sets? So here universal set will be what? 0. Then after 0, 2. Sorry, 2. Then after 2, 3, 3, no, 4, 4. Then 5, 6, 6, 6, no, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. No, we have taken all. 8 is the greatest number here. So we can say this is the universal set of A, B, C. This is the universal set of A, B, C. And also we can tell what? Also we can tell what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can tell till 11, till 12 also, as you wish. You can tell this is also the universal set of A, B, C, because these all elements are having also here in U. So we can tell this is also universal set of A, B, C, and this is also universal set of A, B, C. If you have to make the universal set of three sets, then you can make like this way or this way also, but this way is better than this. Is that clear? This is the universal set. That was the last topic of explanation of exercise 1.3. Okay, now pause the video to note it down, and then we will start in next class. We will start our exercise solving portion of exercise 1.3. okay, so thanks for watching my video.